Welcome back to Berry Life, bringing you easy and delicious vegan and vegetarian recipes from around the world. Today we're making a cucumber salad, but with a slight twist. We're not going to smash it, as is traditional. So let's get started. In a pan over low heat, we'll begin by lightly toasting about 1/3 cup of peanuts, just until they're a little golden and fragrant. What did the peanut say to his girlfriend? I'm nuts about you. This looks good. Then we'll also toast a couple of tablespoons of sesame seeds, just using the residual heat in the pan. Sesame seeds burn really easily, so this should be enough. With the cooking aside, we'll begin assembling the salad, starting with the cucumbers. Here we're going to use mini or cocktail cucumbers. These are great because they're bite-sized, have really small seeds, and the skin isn't as thick. In larger cucumbers, the thicker skin adds a bitterness we want to avoid. We'll snip off the ends and slice them lengthwise into quarters or spears. Then we'll add it to our large salad bowl. Along with the cucumbers, we'll need a handful of cilantro. We'll ball it up like this so it's easier to chop, and chop it finely. If you're not a fan of cilantro, you can also use green onions or even parsley for a citrusy bite. There, that looks good. And into the salad it goes. Next up, the toasted peanuts. We'll just give them a rough chop. You can also do this in a chopper. I just like to use the knife as it saves on cleaning. That's it, all chopped up. Ready to join the cucumbers and cilantro. And lastly, we'll add the toasted sesame seeds. We'll also save a little on the side to garnish for later. For our creamy dressing, we'll slice a lime and set it aside. Then in a bowl or measuring cup, we'll add 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter. We like the natural peanut butter, which doesn't include any extra ingredients. Followed by 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce for savoriness. Next, 2 tablespoons of agave nectar for a bit of sweetness. Then, half of a lime, or about 1 tablespoon. Because limes can vary, you may want to tweak the recipe to your preference for creamy, savory, sweet, and tangy. Next, we'll add a couple of tablespoons of water. This will help with the viscosity or consistency of the dressing. Now, to give it a whisk. And as always, we do a taste test and adjust it to our preference. With the dressing ready, we'll pour it over the salad. For the full written recipe, check out the video description box below, or visit our website at berrylife.com. And lightly toss until all the ingredients are evenly coated with the dressing. With the salad prepared, we'll add some toppings for an extra bit of flavor and texture. Here we have some crispy fried garlic pieces. We love the crunch it provides. Followed by some more sesame seeds. And toasted peanuts. Along with a few tablespoons of our homemade chili crisp. Check out the recipe at the link above for our homemade chili crisp. This will add a complex flavor with a lip-tingling Sichuan peppercorns and a rich savoriness that's completely unique, along with a few leaves of fresh cilantro. And the salad is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. We upload recipes every week and you don't want to miss out. And let us know in the comments below if you make this recipe. Now to dig in. Just hear that crunch of the cucumber. This salad is incredibly simple yet insanely delicious. Just amazing. You have got to try this recipe. There you have it, peanut and chili oil cucumber salad. An Asian-inspired taste in the comfort of your own kitchen. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!